Hi, this is Busy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add profile picture on Twitch desktop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Your profile picture is a representation or who you are on a particular platform or website, but it doesn't mean you can't have fun with it, especially on a platform that's geared toward entertainment like Twitch. So, what if you want to change or add profile picture to your Twitch account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Twitch. You can log in into your Twitch account on your PC or laptop. As you can see in here, my Twitch profile, there's no profile in it. To add profile to your Twitch, you can select on your profile in here. You can just select on your profile. So if you want to add your profile picture, you can select on add profile picture. Now you can just select on the picture that you want to set as your profile on Twitch. For example, I will use this one. Now you can zoom out or like this. You can also rotate the picture. After you finish, you can just select on save. So now you have successfully updated your profile picture on your Twitch account. So when uh, someone visits your profile, they can see your profile like this. It's very cool, right? It's very simple. So that is how to add profile picture to your Twitch account on Twitch desktop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.